Hello guys, welcome back to Tropic Chemistry Study. So this video is like the part 2 of the previous video on how to get between 280 to 300 in Jamb 2024. Okay, so if you are coming across this channel for the first time, or maybe if this is the first time you are seeing my video, you know what to do now. Just like the video and subscribe. Okay, so in the first part of the video, if you have not seen the video, just click the description, click on the link there, then you watch the video before now watching this part 2. Okay, so in the first part of the video, I listed first 3 things you need to do if you want to have between 280 to 300 in Jamb 2024. Okay, so this is the continuation of the video on what you need to do, like the necessary things you need to do for you to get between 280 to 300 in Jamb 2024. Okay, we already listed the first 3 things in our previous video, so we are going to start from number 4 now. So the fourth thing you need to do if you want to get between 280 to 300 is study with friends. When I mean study with friends, I know talk say make you go find person wey no serious with their studies, go talk say they study with am. Okay, so this is what I've actually learned in my days in the university. Like I have this female friend, just female friend though, nothing else. So both of us always study. This is how we do it. Before we go home after each day, we pick out a topic to study at home. Then the next day, when we come, we give each other questions on that particular topic. So with that now, then after solving the questions, we can now discuss everything. So with that now, you obviously see that it will be helpful. So that's it. So if you want to get a study partner or maybe a friend that you can study with, make sure say na person wey wan get between 280 to 300. No be person wey wan get 200. You go dey tell that person you wan study with am. Omo, that person go weigh you down. You no go fit study o. Okay, so number 5 on our list is while studying, jot things down. Okay, there is a difference between reading and studying. Reading is just like when you are reading novel now. You don't intend retaining the content of the book in your head. So that's reading. But studying is when you want to put something for head now, that's studying. So as you dey study, make sure you dey like jot things down. That is very necessary. So you'll be able to remember. And there's this thing that happens that when you are studying and you are writing things down, like you're jotting things down, it helps retain what you have studied in your memory. I'm sure not only me. You sure me say you self you understand now. So while studying, make sure you dey jot things down. It's very necessary. And also maybe like 2 weeks or maybe like 3 weeks to jam. Just bring out whatever you have jotted down throughout these 3 months or 4 months that you have been studying. Just be going through them. As you are going through them again, you'll be remembering how you studied it and everything, and that will help you retain what you have studied already. Okay, so the next one is study in the morning. Omo, you no go understand. After you don't have like 6 hours sleep or maybe like 7 hours sleep, you go now wake up in the morning, go wash your face, now bring out your chemistry or maybe your biology or your physics. Oh, omo, I swear, the way you go dey understand things, you know, say me, I don't write jam before. I understand as e dey be. Jam na beans, but that is if you study smart or not study well. And like I know they advise my students make they study well. My own be say make you study smart. So just if normally if physics is your most difficult subject, just make sure you study it in the morning. Like any subject that you take that like you think is the hardest for you, just make sure you study it in the morning and not in the evening or maybe during the day. So you know when you don't sleep now, come wake up in the morning, your brain don't calm down. So anything you are studying that morning, it will be very easy for your brain to retain it. So that's why I said study in the morning. And most essentially, study the hardest subject, like the subject where they find hard to understand. Just the study and for morning. You go see, say it go dey easy for you to retain the content of that subject. If you have gone this far in this video and you have not subscribed, you know say you did do wrong thing. So don't forget to like. It's very necessary so that YouTube recommend this video to other jambites, and also subscribe. Just that red subscribe button there. Just click that red subscribe button there. Just click it. That red subscribe button, click on it. Abeg. Okay, so the next thing you need to do if you intend getting between 280 to 300 in Jamb 2024 is attend tutorial classes. When I say attend tutorial class, I no mean say make you go attend all those backyard tutorial classes where they know they serious for there. You go tutorial class by 8, you go come back by 10. That one no tutorial classes. Like attend a serious tutorial classes. Like you understand now. If you're a serious student, you understand what I mean. Okay, so before we get to the next thing that you need to do if you want to get between 280 and 300, please don't forget to like this video. It's very important so that YouTube recommend this video to other jambites, and also subscribe. Just click on that red subscribe button there. That's all. You don't need to pay anything to subscribe. Just click on it. Okay, the next thing is get yourself a mentor. That's why I'm here. I can be your mentor. Me, I don't take Jamb. I know how many times I take Jamb, so I can mentor you. And also, if you have any question that you have been intending to ask someone, or maybe any question that you don't understand, or maybe any question that you need answer to, just drop it in the comments. I will see the question and I will answer the question in my next video. So the next thing is to get yourself a mentor. That is someone that you look up to. Someone that has, I didn't say make you go carry your classmate or person we want write Jamb, call a mentor. Obviously, someone that has written Jamb before. Get that person. That person will be giving you advice on what you need to do and what you need not to do. So that is very necessary. Okay, guys, that will be the end of the video for today. But before that, if you have not yet subscribed, you are doing wrong. You did do something wrong. Oh. All right, guys.